Using the MOTOPOWER OBD2 scanner is quick and simple. First, you're going to locate the OBD2 port in your vehicle, which is usually found underneath the dashboard near the driver's seat. Next, plug in the scanner into the port. The device powers on automatically using your car's battery. Turn your vehicle's ignition to on position without starting the engine. The scanner will connect and begin communicating with your vehicle's computer. From there, you can use the buttons to read diagnostic trouble codes. You can check the engine light information and view basic vehicle data. If a code does appear, you can look up the meaning to understand what might be causing the issue. My vehicle had no issues, so I had nothing to show you there. But when you do have issues, once you made repairs, you can also use the scanner to clear the check engine light and reset the system. It's a simple tool that helps you quickly diagnose engine problems without needing a trip to the mechanic. We love our thing and we use it on multiple cars when we have issues.